I'm Randall with Bend Heating. Bend Heating serves Bend, Redmond, Prineville, Madras, Sisters, Sunriver, Lapine. We've even been working in Burns. We specialize in so many different markets. For example, in commercial. We just completed the Toyota new green building. We're doing the West Side Church currently. We just did the U.S. Bank. We're doing some Toys R Us's in Washington. We're doing the new Sunriver Aquatic Center. We're doing the Redmond High School. We work almost exclusively for Sun Forest. We do all of Neil Kelly's work on new construction. We also do high-end, energy-efficient equipment replacement in the retrofit market for existing homes and homeowners. That's an interesting one. There's so much paperwork when you're working with the government and the utilities, and that's something we provide.